Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings, and we can start with the Private DNS. So let's scroll all the way up and go to More Connections. Here let's tap on Private DNS and mark Private DNS provider hostname. Here let's enter dns.adguard.com and tap on Save. Thanks to setting Private DNS, your device will limit the advertisements. Now we can also turn off the personalization. So let's scroll down and go to Google Services. Now let's tap on All Services and go to Ads. So right here we've got something which is called Advertising ID, and removing it will not necessarily limit the number of advertisements that you will see, but for sure it will limit the personalization. So just let me give you the example. Let's say I was looking for a lamp. I wanted to buy it to my living room. I was looking for it using my phone, and after that my device will simply shows me a lot of advertisements with this specific lamp, or the different variations of this lamp, or different offers from different shops, or some items that could be useful for me for the living room. And this is what the Advertising ID does. It simply gathers the information about your research, etc., and after that, based on this information, it will show you the advertisements. So we can simply reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then delete Advertising ID in order to make the advertisements less personalized. And another way, which I also highly recommend, is to limit the notifications, because sometimes we've got the apps that are showing us the advertisements in this notification center. So we can simply turn off the notifications. Just tap on the app, find the app that is showing you a lot of advertisements, tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Now let's go to Notifications. And here we've got different categories of the notifications, and I highly recommend to find those which are kind of connected with the advertisement. So for example, payments, deals, recommendations, something like that, and simply turn off the switcher which is next to it, or simply make them silent. It's obviously up to you. But of course, if you don't really need the notifications from this app at all, just tap on this Allow Notifications at the very top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.